1 Minute French, Lesson 2. Welcome back to 1 Minute French, where I'm teaching you the French language 1 minute at a time. My name is Pierre Benoit, and I'm your teacher for this course. Last time, we learned how to greet people and say goodbye. In this lesson, we'll learn some very useful words in French. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. In Lesson 2, we'll learn 4 useful words you will use every day when you're speaking French. In French, the word for yes is oui. Repeat this again after me. Oui. One more time. Oui. Now, what word goes with yes? No, of course. In French, no is non. Listen to this again and repeat after me. Non. Another useful word that you'll need in French is please. Listen carefully. S'il vous plaît. Let's hear that one again and try to repeat after me. S'il vous plaît. Let's try it again together. S'il vous plaît. Good. Now let's keep things polite and learn the phrase for thank you. In French, thank you is merci. Listen to this again. Merci. Now you try repeating. Merci. Excellent. That's almost all for this show. Don't forget to visit our website on 1minutelanguages.com. We'll be back again soon with more French. But before we finish, there's one other word I'm going to mention here, and that's the word for and. In French, and is et. So now I can say goodbye and thank you. Merci et au revoir.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.